can say is that I feel great, and I tell you what, it's 100% better than what it was. I can just say, all I can do is give my thanks and you know, and appreciation of just saying thank you very much for keeping me on the straight.
Wow, it's my pleasure, honestly. You know, this is why I do what I do, is to see people's lives transformed.
Yes.
From going from a dysfunctional, painful state to a state where they can regain their quality of life. And so it is my pleasure to be able to see you do so well.
I can stand on the side of a field and I can sit in a chair, but I'm more happy when I'm standing with them and I'm doing it. It's great, it feels great.